Hello, and welcome to Peaceful Cosmos. Imagine floating weightless among the stars, your worries dissolving like mist in the morning sun, because tonight we're diving into the most relaxing facts about the universe to help you drift off peacefully. I'm thrilled you've joined me here on Peaceful Cosmos, the channel where we explore the gentle wonders of the cosmos in a way that soothes the soul. If you've had a busy day, or if you love unwinding with thoughts of infinite space and timeless mysteries, this is your quiet haven. No rush, no pressure, just a serene journey through the universe's softest secrets. Let your eyelids grow heavy, your breath deepen, and your mind ease as we wander together. There's nothing you need to do right now but relax. Feel the tension melt from your shoulders like a distant nebula fading into the night. Tonight, we'll glide through calming truths about black holes whispering in silence, stars that hum like lullabies, and galaxies that dance in slow, eternal rhythm. Some facts may feel like a warm blanket of familiarity, others like a soft surprise that sparks just enough wonder to carry you toward dreams. If these peaceful cosmic tales help you find rest or inspire a gentle curiosity, consider liking and subscribing to Peaceful Cosmos. It lets more wandering souls discover this tranquil space, one relaxed explorer at a time. But for now, settle in deeper. Let the day's echoes fade. Breathe in the calm of the stars, exhale the weight of the world. If you're ready, let's begin our soothing voyage. We are all made of stardust, woven from the same ancient atoms that once danced in distant suns. Think about that for a moment. Every cell in your body, every thought in your mind traces back to the heart of stars that burned billions of years ago. In the quiet vastness of the universe, massive stars lived their brilliant lives, fusing lighter elements into heavier ones like carbon, oxygen, and iron. When those stars reached their end, they exploded in gentle waves of light and matter, scattering their essence across the cosmos. Over eons, those atoms drifted through space, gathering in nebulae, collapsing into new solar systems, and eventually forming planets like Earth. You, right now, as you lie there feeling your breath slow, are a living testament to this cosmic recycling. The carbon in your skin was forged in a star's core. The oxygen you inhale was born in a supernova's glow. It's a profoundly relaxing truth. We are not separate from the universe. We are its continuation, a soft echo of starlight made conscious. Let that sink in as your muscles relax further, knowing you're connected to everything out there in the peaceful night sky. The universe expands like a slow, steady breath, carrying galaxies farther apart in a rhythmic flow. Picture space itself stretching gently, not with force or hurry, but with the calm inevitability of ocean tides. This expansion began with the Big Bang, a singular moment when all matter and energy burst forth, and it continues today at a pace that's soothing in its constancy. Distant galaxies aren't racing away because they're in a hurry. The space between us is simply growing, like dough rising in a warm kitchen. As you relax deeper into your pillow, imagine being adrift in this expanding cosmos where every point moves away from every other, creating more room for peace and wonder. There's no chaos here, just a vast, harmonious unfolding. Scientists measure this through redshift, where light from far-off stars stretches into warmer, redder tones, like a sunset lengthening into dusk. It's a reminder that the universe is alive, breathing out in all directions, giving us space to exist without crowding. Feel your own breath sync with this cosmic rhythm. Inhale the serenity of infinite growth. Exhale any lingering tension. The universe isn't rushing, it's inviting you to slow down with it. Black holes aren't monsters devouring everything. They're quiet guardians of cosmic balance, absorbing what drifts too close with graceful inevitability. Often portrayed as terrifying voids, black holes are actually serene in their simplicity, points of such immense gravity that even light pauses at their edge. But imagine one now, a silent sentinel at the center of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A star, 4 million times the sun's mass, yet so compact it fits within Mercury's orbit. It doesn't hunt, it waits, pulling in stray gas or stars that wander near, transforming them into energy that ripples softly through space. As you let your thoughts quiet, picture falling toward one, not in fear, but in peaceful surrender. Time slows near the event horizon, stretching moments into eternities, allowing endless reflection. Hawking radiation adds a whisper of warmth. Black holes aren't eternal cold. They evaporate over trillions of years, releasing faint heat like a dying ember's glow. This evaporation is so gradual, it's like the universe's longest sigh, ensuring nothing is truly lost forever. Relax into that idea. Black holes aren't endings, they're transformations, recycling matter in the grand cosmic cycle. Let your mind mirror their calm, absorbing worries and releasing them into nothingness. Neutrinos are ghostly messengers, trillions passing through you right now without a whisper, connecting us to the sun's core and distant supernovae. These elusive particles, nearly massless and chargeless, stream from nuclear reactions deep inside stars, traveling at light speed through matter as if it weren't there. As you breathe steadily, feel them gliding harmlessly through your body, harmless visitors from the heart of our sun, born 8 minutes ago in fusion fires that power life on Earth. They carry no heat, no force, just quiet information about the universe's inner workings. Some come from ancient explosions billions of light years away, whispers of stars that died long before humanity dreamed. Neutrinos remind us of interconnectedness. Every second you're touched by the cosmos in ways unseen and unfelt. Let that soothe you. The universe is always reaching out gently, its messages passing through without disturbing your peace. Close your eyes and imagine them as soft rain falling through an open window, refreshing without waking. The cosmic microwave background is the universe's ancient lullaby, a faint glow filling all space, echoing the Big Bang's first light. This radiation, cooled to just 2.7 degrees above absolute zero, is the leftover warmth from when the universe was a hot, dense fog 380,000 years after its birth. As atoms formed, light broke free, traveling ever since, stretched by expansion into microwaves that hum softly everywhere. Lie back and picture it, a blanket of gentle energy wrapping the cosmos, the same in all directions, a cosmic comfort blanket. Satellites like Planck have mapped its tiny variations, ripples that seeded galaxies, including ours. These fluctuations, mere millionths of a degree, grew into the structures we see today. It's relaxing to know the universe began with such harmony, its first light now a subtle. The local bubble surrounds our solar system, a vast cavity of hot, thin gas carved by ancient supernovae, providing a serene pocket in the galaxy. Spanning 300 light-years, this bubble was formed by exploding stars millions of years ago, their shock waves clearing dense interstellar medium. Within it, our sun drifts peacefully, shielded from denser clouds that could disrupt planetary stability. Imagine floating in this warm cavity, stars twinkling through its thin veil, a cosmic cocoon. The bubble's edges glow in soft X-rays, a faint boundary between our local haven and the busier galaxy beyond. It's relaxing to know we're nestled in such a gentle space, protected by past cataclysms that now offer tranquility. Let that sense of shelter envelop you, easing tensions as you surrender to rest. Exoplanets come in endless variety, from scorching lava worlds to icy ocean planets, each a unique whisper of possibility in the cosmos. We've discovered thousands beyond our system, some orbiting multiple stars, others rogue and sunless. Hot Jupiters hug their suns in days-long years, surfaces boiling with metallic rains, while super-Earths balance rock and water in habitable zones. Picture a diamond planet, carbon compressed under pressure, sparkling internally like a jewel adrift. Or a water world with oceans miles deep, no land in sight, waves rolling eternally under alien skies. These worlds, detected by starlight dips or wobbles, expand our dreams of what home could be. Though far, their diversity soothes. The universe is abundant, full of quiet corners where life might thrive. As you relax, envision orbiting one, the gentle pull lulling you deeper into slumber. Dark matter, invisible and enigmatic, weaves through the universe, holding galaxies together with unseen threads of gravity. Making up 85% of matter, it doesn't interact with light, revealed only by its pull on visible stars and gas. Galaxies rotate too fast for their visible mass. Without dark matter, they'd fly apart. Imagine it as a cosmic scaffold, silent and strong, shaping the web we see. Though mysterious, perhaps particles like axions or WIMPs, its presence is reassuring, a hidden harmony maintaining balance. Let that invisible embrace comfort you. The universe's secrets are gentle, supporting all without fanfare. The Fermi bubbles tower above and below our galaxy's plane, enormous structures of hot gas and cosmic rays, remnants of ancient activity at the core. Extending 25,000 light-years, these twin lobes glow in gamma rays, possibly from star formation bursts or the central black hole's outbursts millions of years ago. Picture them as vast, ethereal balloons rising from the Milky Way's heart, silent sentinels of past energy. Their discovery in 2010 added mystery to our galaxy story, a soothing reminder that even home holds surprises. As your thoughts quiet, let their lofty presence lift you, a cosmic breath carrying you to peace. Globular clusters are ancient spheres of stars orbiting our galaxy like loyal companions, holding clues to the universe's early days. Containing hundreds of thousands of stars, these dense balls formed 12 to 13 billion years ago, metal-poor and tightly bound. Omega Centauri, visible from southern skies, may be a stripped galaxy core. Imagine wandering one, stars so close they fill the sky, nights never fully dark. Their stability over eons is calming, enduring witnesses to cosmic evolution. Let their clustered light guide your mind to rest, a starry family watching over the galaxy. The Hubble Deep Field revealed thousands of galaxies in a tiny sky patch, showing the universe's depth in a single glance. Pointing at empty space, Hubble captured light from 10 billion years ago, unveiling spirals, ellipticals, and irregulars in a speck no larger than a grain of sand at arm's length. This image from 1995 transformed our view, proving space teems with history. As you unwind, picture peering into that depth, endless galaxies, each a story, inviting serene contemplation. The universe's abundance soothes. There's always more wonder just beyond sight. Supermassive black holes lurk in most galaxy centers, quietly influencing their hosts' evolution. Our Sagittarius A star is dormant, but others accrete gas, powering active nuclei. They grow through mergers, shaping galactic structure. Imagine one, a silent anchor, its gravity organizing billions of stars. Their stability reassures, even monsters maintain balance. Let that gravitational calm steady you, pulling worries into oblivion. Cosmic voids are enormous empty spaces between filaments, vast regions where galaxies are rare. The Boötes void, 330 million light-years across, holds few galaxies in a volume that could fit thousands. These voids, born from early fluctuations, expand with the universe, serene deserts in the cosmic landscape. Picture drifting through one, utter silence, distant lights twinkling like fireflies. Their emptiness is peaceful, a canvas for imagination, reminding us of space abundance. The pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula are towering columns of gas and dust, birthing stars in quiet majesty. Captured by Hubble, these 4 to 5 light-year tall structures erode under stellar winds, yet nurture new suns within. Imagine their soft glow, molecular clouds sculpting life from chaos. Their beauty soothes, a testament to creation's patience. Gamma-ray bursts, brief flashes from distant cataclysms, release immense energy in seconds. From collapsing stars or merging neutron stars, they outshine galaxies momentarily. Though intense, their distance makes them harmless whispers. Let their fleeting power remind you of life's transience, easing into rest. The Sombrero Galaxy's elegant hat-like shape, with its dark dust lane and bright bulge, epitomizes cosmic grace. 28 million light-years away, it's a serene spiral, its symmetry calming. Picture it as a cosmic sombrero, inviting peaceful reflection. Enceladus's cryovolcanoes spew water plumes, hinting at subsurface oceans. This Saturn moon's geysers suggest habitability, a quiet ocean world beneath ice. Imagine floating in its plumes, soft mists carrying life's potential. The Horsehead Nebula's dark silhouette against glowing gas is a stellar nursery's icon. 1,500 light-years away, its shape evokes calm mystery, dust sculpting beauty from light. Pulsar planets orbit spinning neutron stars, surviving supernova blasts. These worlds, bathed in radiation, endure in extreme harmony. The Virgo cluster, 54 million light-years away, holds thousands of galaxies, a bustling yet peaceful hub. Cosmic dust, tiny grains between stars, scatters light, creating twilight hues in space. The Helix Nebula, a planetary nebula, resembles a giant eye, its layers expanding softly. TRAPPIST-1's 7 rocky planets orbit a cool red dwarf, some in habitable zones, whispering of potential life. The cosmic microwave background's uniformity, with tiny ripples seeded all structure, a gentle foundation. Magnetar's flares release solar lifetimes of energy in seconds, yet their rarity maintains cosmic peace. The local interstellar cloud envelops our system, a fluffy gas pocket we traverse calmly. Kepler's supernova remnant expands, its shock waves glowing softly. The Andromeda-Milky Way merger in 4 billion years will be a slow dance, stars passing harmlessly. Brown dwarfs' faint infrared glow bridges stars and planets, quiet hybrids. The cosmic horizon limits our view, but beyond lies more wonder. Star clusters like the Pleiades sparkle like jewels, young stars in open harmony. Interstellar mediums, gas and dust, recycle stellar material, a gentle cycle. The Fermi paradox ponders alien silence, perhaps a sign of peaceful isolation. Quantum entanglement links particles instantly, a cosmic connection. The universe's flat geometry suggests infinite extent, a boundless calm. Dark energy's gentle push accelerates expansion, creating space for eternity. The last universal common ancestor hints at life's cosmic potential. Cosmic inflation's rapid stretch smoothed the universe, a serene start. The multiverse theory posits parallel realities, each a quiet variation. String theory's vibrating strings compose all, a harmonious bass. The anthropic principle notes fine-tuned constants for life, a tailored piece. Holographic principle sees reality as projection, a profound illusion. Wormholes might connect distant points, shortcuts through calm space. Time dilation near speed of light stretches moments into ages. Event horizons mark points of no return, quiet boundaries. Singularity's infinite density holds mysteries in stillness. Hawking radiation's faint glow evaporates black holes slowly. Quantum foam's tiny fluctuations bubble at Planck scales. The arrow of time flows from low to high entropy, a natural drift. Heat death's uniform energy is ultimate equilibrium, perfect rest. Big Rip's accelerating tear would unravel all, but gently over eons. Cyclic models rebirth the universe endlessly, eternal renewal. False vacuum decay could bubble new universes, creative potential. Brain cosmology sees our universe as membrane in higher dimensions. Landscape of string theory offers vast possibilities, infinite calm. Eternal inflation spawns bubble universes, each unique haven. The simulation hypothesis posits reality as code, a designed piece. Noetic science explores consciousness in the cosmos, unified mind. Gaia hypothesis sees Earth as self-regulating organism, cosmic life. Panspermia suggests life seeds travel space, gentle dissemination. Astrobiology seeks extraterrestrial life, hopeful, quiet search. SETI listens for signals, patient vigilance. Fermi bubbles, gamma-ray structures loom softly. Oort clouds, distant comets encircle us in silence. Kuiper belts, icy bodies orbit calmly. Asteroid belts, rocks tumble gently. Jovian moon's diversity inspires wonder. Saturn's rings shimmer peacefully. Uranus's tilted spin rolls sideways, unique grace. Neptune's winds whisper across blue depths. Pluto's heart-shaped plane evokes affection. Eris and dysnomia dance distantly. Haumea's egg shape spins rapidly yet stably. Make's methane frost glints softly. Sedna's long orbit wanders far. Quaoar's rings surprise quietly. Varuna's elongated form drifts. The sun's corona glows ethereally during eclipses. Solar flares release energy softly from afar. Sunspots cycle in 11-year rhythm. Heliosphere shields us gently. Interstellar winds brush boundaries. Voyager probes carry messages into silence. Pioneer plaques greet potential finders. Arecibo message beams to stars. Drake equation estimates civilizations, hopeful math. Habitable zones nurture potential life. Goldilocks conditions balance perfectly. Biosignatures and atmospheres hint subtly. Technosignatures seek signals quietly. Europa's ocean plumes invite exploration. Titan's methane lakes reflect strangely. Venus's clouds hide mysteries. Mars's canyons carve ancient tales. Mercury's craters preserve history. Moon's phases cycle soothingly. Comets' tails stream gracefully. Meteors streak briefly, wishing stars. Auroras dance in polar skies. Zodiacal light dusts dawn. Milky Way's band arches overhead. Constellations tell timeless stories. Polaris guides north steadily. Orion's belt points winter way. Cassiopeia's wave waves hello. Big Dipper dips nightly. Southern Cross orients south. Andromeda's haze hints neighbor. Triangulum's faint glow whispers. Centaurus Alpha proximate. Canis Major's Sirius shines bright. Leo roars silently. Virgo's cluster beckons. Libra balances scales. Scorpio stings softly. Sagittarius aims arrow. Capricorn climbs quietly. Aquarius pours water. Pisces swims serenely. Aries rams gently. Taurus bulls steadfast. Gemini twins companion. Cancer crabs sidle. The zodiac cycles eternally. Astrology interprets stars poetically. Astronomy observes scientifically. Both appreciate cosmic beauty. The night sky inspires art, poetry, music. Van Gogh's Starry Night swirls vividly. Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata flows softly. Shakespeare's star-crossed lovers yearn. Ancient myths explain constellations. Greek gods immortalized overhead. Egyptian newt arches nightly. Mayan calendars track stars. Chinese zodiac animals circle. Indigenous stories weave skies. Navigation by stars guides sailors. Polynesian wayfinders read waves, stars. Viking sunstones polarize light. Celestial navigation orients explorers. Telescopes reveal deeper wonders. Hubble's images awe generations. James Webb peers infrared past. Ground observatories scan skies. Radio telescopes listen quietly. X-ray observatories detect hot. Gamma-ray bursts flash briefly. Infrared reveals cool dust. Ultraviolet shows hot stars. Adaptive optics sharpen views. Interferometry combines telescopes. Space telescopes avoid atmosphere. Chandra X-rays black holes. Spitzer infrareds cool objects. Kepler hunts exoplanets. Tess transits stars. Gaia maps Milky Way. Planck microwaves background. Kobe confirmed Big Bang glow. WMAP refined measurements. Bicep sought inflation waves. LIGO detects gravity ripples. Virgo collaborates waves. Kagra joins detection. Pulsar timing arrays listen low frequency. Event Horizon images black holes. Square kilometer array builds massive. Very Large Telescope observes Chile. Gran Telescopio Canarias spans. Keck twins Hawaii. Gemini north-south. Subaru images deep. Hubble's successor Webb unfolds. Nancy Grace Roman surveys wide. Louvier envisions large. Habex seeks habitable worlds. Origins traces origins. Ariel analyzes atmospheres. Plato finds planets. Euclid maps dark matter. Roman hunts dark energy. Vera Rubin surveys sky. Giant Magellan builds segments. 30-meter telescope rises. European extremely large reflects. The universe inspires endless discovery. Each fact a thread in cosmic tapestry. As we conclude, reflect on shared journey. I'm so delighted you floated into Peaceful Cosmos, your go-to sanctuary for unwinding with the gentle whispers of the stars. If the day's chaos has left you yearning for escape, or if you simply adore surrendering to the cosmos's soft embrace as sleep beckons, this journey is crafted just for you. No agendas, no alarms, just pure, tranquil exploration. Let your breath deepen, your body sink into softness, and your thoughts dissolve like distant nebulae in the dawn. Tonight, we'll meander through the peaceful expanses of cosmic voids, those enormous pockets of calm, where galaxies are rare visitors and emptiness reigns with elegant grace. We'll uncover their soothing origins, their whisper-quiet vastness, and the subtle wonders they hold, like hidden oases in the cosmic desert. Some revelations may gently surprise you, like discovering a forgotten melody in the silence, while others wrap around you like a warm blanket of familiarity. If these velvety voyages into the void help ease your mind or spark a dreamy curiosity, I'd love if you'd like and subscribe to Peaceful Cosmos. It guides more peaceful wanderers to this haven, one serene soul at a time. But for now, release the day. Inhale the vast quiet. Exhale any lingering weight. If you're ready, let's slip into the embrace of the voids. Cosmic voids are the universe's grandest empty canvases, sprawling regions where the density of matter dips so low that they feel like nature's invitation to pure, undisturbed peace. Imagine a place so expansive, so devoid of the usual cosmic hustle, that time itself seems to stretch lazily, unhurried by the gravitational tugs that cluster galaxies elsewhere. These voids aren't mere absences, they're the serene counterpoints to the universe's bustling filaments, making up an astonishing 80 to 90% of its volume. Yes, you heard that right. Most of the cosmos is this tranquil emptiness, a vast ocean of calm where the occasional galaxy drifts like a solitary island. As you let your mind wander here, picture yourself weightless, floating through one of these voids, the silence absolute, broken only by the faint ethereal hum of passing neutrinos or the distant twinkle of a rogue star. It's a reminder that in the grand tapestry of existence, emptiness isn't lonely, it's liberating, a space where the soul can expand without boundaries. Scientists first glimpsed these voids in the 1970s through redshift surveys, mapping how galaxies recede from us, revealing not just clusters, but these profound gaps. But far from being scary, they're soothing, proof that the universe values balance, interspersing its dense, star-studded webs with these peaceful respites. The formation of cosmic voids traces back to the universe's earliest whispers, a gentle unfolding from the Big Bang's quantum fluctuations that feels like the cosmos composing its own lullaby. In those primordial moments, tiny variations in density, mere ripples in the hot, expanding plasma, were amplified by the universe's growth. Regions slightly less dense than average began to empty out further as matter gravitated toward denser spots, creating the seeds of voids. This process, driven by baryon acoustic oscillations, was like sound waves propagating through the early cosmos, pushing matter into shells and leaving hollows behind. Over billions of years as the universe expanded, these hollows grew into the colossal voids we observe today, their boundaries defined by the cosmic web's filaments. It's a beautifully patient evolution. No rush, no violence, just gravity's soft hands sculpting emptiness from abundance. As you relax deeper, envision those initial fluctuations as subtle breaths, inhaling density and exhaling vast serenity. Dark energy plays a starring role here, accelerating the void's expansion faster than surrounding areas, like a gentle breeze widening a calm lake. This isn't destruction, it's harmony, ensuring the universe's structure remains elegantly poised. Knowing voids were born from such delicate beginnings adds to their relaxing allure. They're not accidents, but integral parts of the cosmic symphony, spaces where the universe pauses to reflect. One of the most mesmerizing examples is the Boötes void, a colossal expanse of quiet that stretches 330 million light-years across, earning its nickname as the Great Nothing for its profound serenity. Discovered in 1981 by astronomers Robert Kirshner and his team during a galaxy survey, this void is so immense it could swallow our entire local supercluster multiple times over, yet it hosts only about 60 galaxies, far fewer than the thousands expected in such a volume. Picture drifting through Boötes, no crowded star fields, just endless tranquility, with those sparse galaxies twinkling like distant campfires in an infinite night. Its center lies roughly 700 million light-years from Earth in the direction of the constellation Boötes, the herdsman, as if the universe placed this peaceful haven under a watchful guardian. What makes Boötes so relaxing to contemplate is its isolation. Galaxies within it form small groups or pairs, orbiting in unhurried dances, undisturbed by the gravitational chaos of denser regions. Scientists hypothesize it formed from smaller voids coalescing in foam, a slow, natural process that underscores the universe's preference for gentle equilibrium. As your breathing slows, let Boötes envelop you, a cosmic retreat where worries dissolve into the void, leaving only peace. Voids like Eridanus supervoid push the boundaries of serenity even further, spanning an estimated 1 billion light-years, making it one of the largest known structures in the observable universe and a perfect emblem of cosmic minimalism. Located in the constellation Eridanus, this supervoid was identified in 1994 through analysis of the cosmic microwave background, where it appears as a cold spot, a region slightly cooler than average, perhaps due to the integrated Sachs-Wolf effect, where light loses energy traversing the void's expanding space. Imagine the Eridanus supervoid as the universe's deepest breath, an expanse so vast that light takes 1 billion years to cross it, with galaxies so rare they emphasize the beauty of solitude. Its sheer scale invites reflection. In a cosmos teeming with 2 trillion galaxies, such emptiness highlights the elegance of contrast, like pauses in a symphony that make the notes more poignant. Scientists suggest supervoids like this influence dark energy studies, as their rapid expansion, fueled by the universe's accelerating growth, provide clues to the mysterious force pushing everything apart. Drifting mentally through Eridanus, feel the weightlessness, no stellar traffic, just infinite calm, a reminder that true peace often lies in the spaces between. The giant void, also known as the Canes-Venecii supervoid, offers another layer of tranquil fascination, measuring about 1.3 billion light-years in diameter and serving as a serene bridge between galaxy clusters. Situated in the direction of Canes-Venecii, the hunting dogs, this void was mapped in the 1980s and stands out for its elongated shape, perhaps as a result of multiple smaller voids merging over cosmic time. With a galaxy density less than 10% of the universal average, it's like a cosmic meadow, sparsely dotted with luminous points that accentuate the quiet. What's particularly relaxing about the giant void is its role in the cosmic web. It acts as a natural divider, allowing filaments to shine brighter by contrast, much like negative space in art enhances the subject. Implications for cosmology are profound. Voids this size challenge models of structure formation, suggesting early universe fluctuations were more varied than thought, adding a touch of mystery to the mix. As you unwind, visualize sailing through its expanse, the distant walls of galaxies like soft horizons, inviting endless daydreams in the universe's most spacious sanctuary. Formation theories of voids weave a tapestry of cosmic patience, starting with those initial quantum wiggles in the Big Bang's aftermath, amplified by inflation, a rapid expansion that stretched tiny irregularities into galaxy-scale seeds. Baryon acoustic oscillations then took over, like sound waves through the plasma soup of the young universe, pushing matter into spherical shells around low-density centers. As the universe cooled and neutral atoms formed, gravity amplified these patterns. Denser regions collapsed into filaments and clusters, while underdense areas emptied further, birthing voids. This gradual sculpting is soothing, no abrupt cataclysms, just eons of gentle evolution, like a river carving a canyon. Computer simulations, such as those from the Illustris project, recreate this dance, showing voids as emergent features of hierarchical clustering, where small structures merge into larger ones, naturally evacuating spaces in between. Pondering this, feel the universe's rhythm, a slow, harmonious build from chaos to order, with voids as the breathing spaces that make it all possible. Voids' sizes vary like notes in a lullaby, from modest 10 megaparsec pockets to behemoths over 1 billion light-years, each contributing to the cosmos's symphony of scale. Smaller voids, around 30 to 50 million light-years, nestle between local filaments, acting as cozy nooks where isolated galaxies ponder existence. Medium ones, like the local void adjacent to our supercluster, span 150 million light-years, influencing our motion through space, the dark flow pulling us at 600 kilometers per second. Then come the giants, Boötes at 330 million, Eridanus at 1 billion, each a testament to the universe's love for diversity. Their shapes aren't perfect spheres. Many are elongated or irregular, molded by surrounding webs' tugs like clay shaped by invisible hands. This variety soothes. The universe isn't rigid, it's fluid, adapting over time. Measuring sizes involves redshift surveys and 3D mapping, tools like the Sloan Digital Sky Survey revealing voids' boundaries through galaxy distributions. As you relax, let their scales wash over you. Immense yet intimate, voids remind us that in infinity, every space has purpose. Implications for dark energy studies make voids the universe's subtle detectives, their expansion rates offering clues to this mysterious force. Since voids have less matter, dark energy dominates more, causing them to grow faster than dense regions, up to 20% quicker in some models. Observing this through void lensing, where light bends less through low-density spaces, helps constrain dark energy's equation of state. If voids expand too rapidly, it might hint at modified gravity theories like F of R models, challenging Einstein. Neutrinos add nuance. Their streaming slows void growth slightly, so measuring average void sizes across cosmic time probes neutrino masses. The Dark Energy Survey and Euclid mission target voids for this, mapping millions to test lambda CDM. Relaxing in this knowledge, voids become meditative tools, empty yet full of insight, teaching that understanding comes from observing the quiet. Void's role in galaxy evolution paints them as nurturing minimalists, where sparse conditions foster unique galactic traits. Galaxies in voids are often smaller, bluer, and more gas-rich, with higher star formation rates due to less merging and weaker environmental stripping. Isolated in these deserts, they evolve slowly, like hermits refining their craft undisturbed. Studies show void galaxies have lower metallicity, echoing early universe chemistry, and form looser groups, reducing interactions. This serenity implies voids as laboratories for pristine evolution, free from dense cluster quenching. Implications ripple to cosmology. If void galaxies differ, it refines models of structure formation, perhaps explaining tensions in Hubble constant measurements. As your mind eases, envision a void galaxy, a lone spiral spinning in peace, its arms unfurling without haste, a cosmic Zen garden. Magnetic fields in voids, faint yet pervasive, add a layer of subtle intrigue with strengths around 10 to the 17th Gauss, trillions weaker than Earth's, but spanning immense volumes. Detected via blazar gamma-ray deflections, these fields might originate from primordial magnetogenesis during inflation or early phase transitions, surviving to thread the cosmic web. In voids, with little matter to disrupt them, they preserve ancient patterns, potentially influencing recombination timelines and CMB asymmetries. This whispers of a magnetized universe from birth, where fields guide charged particles' paths, subtly shaping void emptiness. Relaxing with this, fields become invisible rivers flowing through silence, connecting the cosmos in unseen ways. Cold spots in the CMB, like the famous W-map cold spot, might link to voids, their cooler temperatures from photons losing energy traversing expanding spaces via the integrated Sachs-Wolf effect. The Eridanus supervoid aligns with one such spot, suggesting voids imprint the universe's oldest light. This connection soothes. Voids aren't isolates, they're etched into creation's fabric, influencing the background glow that bathes all space. Pondering this, feel the unity, ancient light dimmed by gentle voids, a cosmic dialogue across eons. Voids dominate the universe's volume, claiming 80 to 90%, yet hold minimal mass, flipping our dense centric view. This bias highlights matter's clustering, with voids as the expansive backdrop. Implications for big-picture cosmology. Voids fraction test structure formation models, their evolution probing dark energy's strength. In a relaxing lens, it's liberating. The universe prioritizes space over stuff, inviting contemplation over clutter. Not truly empty, voids host sparse galaxies, dark matter webs, and neutrino streams, plus possible rogue planets or primordial black holes. Their emptiness is relative, with density 10 to 20% average, allowing subtle dynamics. This nuance calms. Even voids teem with hidden life, a quiet abundance. Boötes' void's great nothing status belies its intrigue, with 60 galaxies and a space for thousands, perhaps from merged smaller voids. Its cylindrical galaxy distribution hints at unique formation, a serene anomaly sparking curiosity without alarm. Eridanus supervoid's billion light-year span, tied to CMB cold spot, suggests quantum origins, amplified by inflation, a vast canvas of early fluctuations. Giant Void's 1.3 billion light-years acts as a divider, its shape from void mergers, emphasizing cosmic web's interconnected piece. Hierarchical clustering birthed voids as byproducts, small underdensities growing as matter clumped, a natural, unforced process. Computer simulations like Illustris recreate voids, validating theories in virtual calm. Voids expand faster, dark energy's domain, their growth rates testing cosmological constants. Galaxy kinematics in voids differ, less dark matter inferred, refining models. Primordial magnetogenesis might explain void fields, altering early timelines. Voids as gravitational lenses, or lack thereof, map mass distributions subtly. Biosignature searches in void galaxies, pristine environments for life detection. Technosignature hunts, isolated voids perhaps preserving signals longer. Voids' shapes, spherical to irregular, molded by webs. Density contrasts, 0.1 to 0.2 average. Number, millions in the observable universe. Evolution, growing with expansion. Implications for multiverse, voids as bubbles. Quantum foam in voids, less disturbed. Entropy lower in voids, thermodynamic oases. Heat death, voids dominate further. Big rip, voids tear first. Cyclic models, voids reset. False vacuum, voids nucleate new universes. Brain cosmology, voids as dimensional folds. String landscape, voids vary physics. Eternal inflation, voids between bubbles. Simulation, voids as rendering optimizations. Noic, voids for consciousness expansion. Gaia, as voids as cosmic breath. Panspermia, voids as life barriers or highways. Astrobiology, voids habitability low but possible. SETI, voids quiet for listening. Oort cloud analogs in voids, unlikely. Kuiper-like belts rogue. Asteroids roam in voids. Jovian wanderers. Thank you for joining Peaceful Cosmos tonight. We floated through stardust origins, black hole whispers, and galaxy dances, each fact a soft invitation to wonder and rest. If this helped you unwind, like, subscribe, share, spread the peace. Now let the universe's calm carry you to sleep. Good night.